नॉर्मल लॉरी स्टॉक एनालिसिस करेंगे आज। वेलकम टू ट्रेड विथ एएमए चैनल। दिस इज द one day chart you can see here. Here the crossover has been given by the EMA as the crossover indicates the bullish sign. Okay, now the stock can reach about 140 tomorrow or in coming days, tomorrow or may coming days. Okay, here RSI is flattened and rising. Here MACD has been given bullish sign, crossover has been given here, and volume also increased. Okay, here parabolics are also formed below the candles. This means up sign. Okay, volume, all depends on volume only. Let's go to the weekly chart. Here you can see there is a resistance at 159 in the weekly chart. Here is the support 114, and MACD has been given crossover downside. The trend is down, but here the histogram is warning green. Trend may reverse here in weekly, and the volume also increasing. Okay, the stock may go up to 159 in this week or come in next week. Okay, if buyers increases. Let's go to the monthly chart. In monthly chart, here is the resistance, here is support is at 114.60 and resistance is at 160.20. The stock may go up to 160.20 in this month. Okay, chances are there. Here is the RSI is flattened. This may up or down. Here MACD crossover is green, a lot back. Here volume has been decreased. If volume increase, then the stock will go up and reach this target. Okay, let's go to the 15 minutes chart. RSI is about to rise, flattened and about to rise, and MACD is down. MACD has been down and volume increased. Here histogram found down. Parabolic R is also down, above, that means down. Stock is down in 15 minutes chart. Okay, trend may reverse as per the daily chart. Okay, here is the resistance at 130.63. okay, this may breaks tomorrow, then it may go up to 132 or above if buyers increase. Okay, don't go blindly that they told or everyone told or anyone told. Okay, first cross check yourself and do whether to take trade or not take decision, and you must know where to enter or where to exit the trade and where to exit the trade. So be careful before trading. Okay, don't go for more and more percentage of profit. It may turn over into loss also in sudden changes drastically. Okay, thank you for watching.